welcome. Mr. Wayne here. You can't see me, but that's okay, because I've got a map. We got the map yesterday at Wide World of Maps in Phoenix. And this is a quadrangle, 7.5 minute series topographic map of the area that we're in the Tonto National Forest. What we have here is showing these contours, and before I mention that each of these brown lines represented a foot contour, actually these are every 40 feet. And I've got a little pop top that I found in the vicinity, and I'll scan the area, but that's where we are right now. And this is the road that we came in on. We'll zoom up on it in a minute, but I wanted to demonstrate the relationship here because we've got my compass, which is great. Compasses are great for orienting and knowing where north is and kind of projecting where we're going to be traveling. However, the advent of GPS, the global positioning system, has greatly increased the potential. I mean, being able to locate where we are in a particular spot anywhere on the globe. Okay, you can see kind of the orientation of the compass pointing north, and the little pop top that I have. If I pan up here, you can see where the trailhead is. This is the trail we came in on, and you can see how this trail is that way. I mean, that's where we came in. I've placed my GPS app that I downloaded onto my Android, and I'm showing it in the shade so you can better see it. But if you look down right in the middle, you've got coordinates 33 degrees, 58.914 actually minutes north, and 11 degrees, 54.711 west. That's where we are on the world. North is the north latitude, which is above the equator. West is the west longitude, that is west of Greenwich Meridian, which runs through Great Britain, somewhere in England. So we're on the opposite side of the world, but it shows northwest. We're in the north hemisphere and the western hemisphere, northwest hemisphere. Okay, we now take those coordinates, and we're looking right here at the New River Mesa topo, the quad, and it's showing our relationship with magnetic north. So we've got that situated. That's why the compass is a little skewed. It shows the north going off to the right a little bit. So we've got our map north orientation correct. We also take our coordinates, which you look down here in the lower right hand corner, and it shows 33, 52 minutes degrees. That's the north latitude, and 11 degrees, 52 minutes, 30 seconds west longitude. So we interpolate that, the 5230 north and 5234 degrees. See the 34? So in between there, we've got roughly 8 minutes of degrees. So by interpolating that back to here, remember it was 33, almost 59, almost 34 degrees north. Here we are up here at the map corner, 34 degrees north. We're just south of there, and there's our little point. Okay, now if we take west, remember we're at 11:52:30 west. Our coordinates show 5470 west. So a couple minutes to the west, and there we are. And you can interpolate that through these different numbers, because you can see on one side of the map we've got 5230. The other side is 112. So almost a half a degree is the width of the map, and that's where we're located. And if you get a bearing, you look over here. Let's see. Let's find a point on this map. Skunk Ridge. See Skunk Ridge right there? That's south of us. We're looking north. We turn 180 degrees south. There's Skunk Ridge. Another area to point out is the little creek that runs there. It has no name. The beginning of Cave Creek. You can see it flowing right through here. And this little creek coming down here is unnamed at the end of this road. Well, right here there's a little cabin. You can see the little creek that kind of flows through there. There's no water in it. But here's the cabin. Here's what's left of maybe what was a miner's cabin, maybe just a guy that wanted to get away, maybe he was a hunter. There's a lot of deer in this area. Here's what's remains of the trees. So there was a fire that swept through here about 10 years ago. And these trees look like they were planted. Maybe there's an orchard. You know, maybe there was a bigger forest through here at one time. You know, this cabin was built, at least 100 years ago. Here goes a jet flying overhead. Now those big commercial airliners fly about 7 miles above the ground. The satellite system that we have is way up there. It's higher. If you give you a relationship that jet is flying, it's probably about a mile up. Commercial jets, again, are 7 miles above the ground. The USS Destiny, the space station, is 250 miles above the ground. The satellite system that creates the GPS, 11,000 miles above the Earth. It's amazing. But this is the end of our trail, so we're going to head back out.